Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 22nd, 2025, and we're taking a comprehensive look at Litecoin, ticker symbol CUSD. We're not just looking at the charts today, we're also diving into the latest news and events to give you a well-rounded perspective on Litecoin's potential. Recent news suggests that Litecoin is currently navigating a bear market, despite increased whale activity. Some analysts predict further downside, while others are pointing towards potential rallies, particularly with the upcoming halving event. The former Fox business reporter Eleanor Terrett was at the Litecoin Summit in Las Vegas, highlighting growing interest in crypto ETFs, and this could be a future catalyst for LTC. Let's correlate this with what the charts are telling us. Taking a look at the daily chart, we can see Litecoin's price action over the last several months. We've witnessed periods of significant volatility, including a notable surge in late February and early March of 2024, where the price climbed above $90 and even $100. However, this rally was followed by a sharp correction, bringing the price back down to the $80s and subsequently even lower. Currently, we're trading around $85.44 according to the most recent candle close, after a small bounce upward, which suggests that support may be forming in the low $80 range. This is an important area to watch, as a break below this level could signal further bearish momentum, which would correlate with the news suggesting there's a bear market. Zooming in on the daily chart to focus on the last few months, starting in January 2025, we see a period of consolidation followed by a steep decline in early April, bringing the price down significantly. It seems a big drop on April 6th brought the price way down, and it's taken a while to recover. There has been a recent bounce off the $70 level, and now the price is consolidating around $85. A key resistance level to watch is around the $90 to $100 range. Breaking above this could signal a bullish reversal in the medium term. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular view of recent price action. On the hourly chart, we can observe more short-term fluctuations and potential trading opportunities. Looking at the last few days, we see Litecoin has been attempting to break past a resistance area, but has since fallen down to previous levels. There's an opportunity to enter a short trade at a bit above $85, or look for a support to form in the low $80s if the resistance is broken. Watch the news carefully for anything mentioning crypto ETFs or other news about Litecoin that may trigger a reaction. Taking a closer look at the 15-minute chart, we can identify some key support and resistance levels for intraday trading. The $77.30 level looks like a key area as of late, so be careful around that price. Remember, these levels are dynamic and can change rapidly, so it's important to stay vigilant and adapt your strategy accordingly. We can use the 15 minutes chart to decide when to enter or exit a trade in the shorter term. Be careful entering long positions as there isn't clear support below, and recent news mentions that the Litecoin price has crashed into a bear market this year. Therefore, the long-term trend may be downwards. To summarize, the key price levels to watch for Litecoin in the short term are around $85 for resistance and the low $80s for support. Breaking above $90 could signal a potential medium-term bullish reversal, while falling below $70 would reinforce the bearish trend. For the long term, the Investing Haven price prediction suggested that Litecoin could range between $76.10 and $191.10 by the end of 2025, if it can successfully maintain positive price action above key Fibonacci levels. However, it's important to note that these are just predictions, and actual market performance can vary significantly. Also, keep a close eye on news related to crypto ETFs and potential institutional adoption, as these could be significant catalysts for Litecoin's price. Remember, cryptocurrency investing involves risk, so always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice, just a detailed rundown of the charts and news on April 22nd, 2025. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.